A brief explanation of life. Life is a complex journey that each of us takes from the day we are born until we die. Life is full of ups and downs, joys and sorrows, successes and failures. It is a journey that is never the same for two people, and is constantly evolving and changing. Life is a journey of self-discovery. As we go through life, we learn more about who we are and what our purpose is. We learn more about our strengths and weaknesses, and how to use our strengths to our advantage and work on our weaknesses. We learn about our values and beliefs and how to use them to make decisions and guide our lives. Life is a journey of relationships. We build relationships with our family, friends, colleagues, and strangers. We learn how to make connections and how to nurture them. We learn how to be kind and compassionate, and to show love and appreciation to those we care about. Life is a precious journey that we should appreciate and cherish. It is full of opportunities for growth, learning, and connection. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.